Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to rename music in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to rename music in your Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Terabox. Now in order to proceed to rename your music in Terabox, in this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of buttons available for us where it says home, files and share. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the files button and you land over here where all of the files which you have uploaded to your Terabox app will be over here. Now in order to rename music in your Terabox app, navigate to the music which you want to rename on Terabox, and after navigating to the music, in order to rename it, simply tap and hold on the music which you want to rename, and the moment tick mark appears at the right side of that particular music, a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now in order to proceed to rename that music guys, you can see the rename button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen on the menu just beside the delete button. So let's do that again. Let's tap and hold on music which you want to change the name on, and after the menu appears at the bottom of the screen, tap on the rename button, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to make the required edits or certain edits to the name which you want to change to. So let's close this and let's type our name of the music which you want to change the name of. So I'll be just typing in the music one name over here and tapping on, and after renaming your music name guys, tap on the OK button on this box, and with that being done guys, your name of your music will be changed on your Terabox app. And with that being said guys, this is how to rename music in your Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.